Most of you know how important it is to have security software on your computers to stay protected from viruses, malware, spam, and other internet threats. Unfortunately, cybercriminals also know that it is critical to have a security solution. And they are using this knowledge to trick us into downloading fake virus protection that is designed to do harm to your computer. What is fake security software? Fake security software or rogue security software is any program claiming it's protecting your computer but is doing nothing. For example, a program may claim to be scanning your computer files for malware but is only listing every file on your computer. Typically, these programs falsely alert the user that it detected malware or another security threat that should be fixed. However, the fix requires the user to pay and is not fixing anything. Here are some examples of fake antivirus software. Most fake antivirus software products have names that sound like those of reputable packages to instill trust in users. They'll also often use generic names like Antivirus XP or MS Antivirus. Here are some examples of fake antivirus software. Spy Sheriff sends fake virus reports, blocks internet connections, and disables system responses and real antivirus tools. Security Tool generates fake alerts and pressures users to purchase a premium plan. WinFixer scans for non-existent threats and asks you to purchase the tool to remove the malware. Also called AV System Care, WinAnti-Spyware, and WinAnti-Spy. MacSweeper, also known as Cleanator, this tool targets Mac users. Green Antivirus claims to make a donation to an environmental charity for each transaction. MS Antivirus targets Microsoft Windows users and runs fake scans, and has dozens of clones. How to detect fake antivirus scams. Fake antivirus tools can be very convincing, so it's important to be aware of some telltale signs to identify them. And trust your instincts. If it seems suspicious, it probably is. Here are some ways to identify a fake antivirus. High-frequency alerts. Reputable antivirus software won't bombard you with urgent security alerts. A fake antivirus main aim is to pressure you into downloading malicious products and making additional payments. Requests for money. The best antivirus providers won't request money before removing a threat. You only have to pay for a subscription. However, a fake antivirus will immediately ask for payment and your credit card details to remove threats. Bad grammar. Reputable sites will have polished designs with well-written descriptions of their products. However, fake software vendors will often have content and alerts riddled with misspellings and grammatical errors. Per website interface. Fake antiviruses will often lack a professional website or contact information for the provider. Their site will be a poor replica of those offered by reputable antivirus software providers. Disable legitimate software. Some fake antiviruses will impair the functionality of legitimate antivirus software from running properly. If you see warnings like this, it's a red flag. Urgent language. Fake antivirus software will use phrases like immediate action required and threat detected to catch your attention in a way that legitimate providers would be unlikely to. Free antivirus scams. Antivirus scams sometimes present themselves as free antivirus solutions. You'll install one on your system, only to regret it later. If you're looking for a free antivirus solution, ensure you are looking at a genuine provider. The best of these generally also offer paid solutions. Here's how to remove fake antivirus software from your system. Restart your computer in safe mode. Entering safe mode will shut down all operations and only load basic services. This mode is like a diagnostic mode, so it will generally shut down the operations of the fake antivirus software. Reset browser settings. Your browser settings are one of the first things affected by fake antiviruses. Go to the default browser settings and reset your web browser to remove unwanted extensions and plugins. Uninstall any unwanted or suspicious software. Thoroughly check for any unwanted or suspicious apps or apps you don't recognize. After uninstalling them, delete any temporary files and clear the cache. Some malware can be difficult to remove, and it may even require a factory reset. Install antivirus software. Next, install a genuine antivirus software product and run a few scans. If the scan detects threats, it will attempt to address them to protect your device. When choosing antivirus software, make sure you only purchase a product from the provider's official website. Restart and monitor. To turn off safe mode, restart your computer, and then continue to monitor how it behaves. Look for pop-ups and security alerts, and if the behavior has stopped, continue to run periodic scans to confirm your system is free from the fake antivirus.